Hello friend, myself Sanjeev Dwivedi on behalf of Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, I welcome you all in this conceptual video of advanced algorithm. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to red-black tree. Now, red-black tree is an advanced data structural topic. It is a special type of tree. Of course, it is a binary search tree as we can see here. Of course, it is a binary search tree. Correct? But it is a binary search tree where we have a color associated with every node. Every node is either colored red or colored black, as we can see. Node 7 and 3 are colored black, 10 and 22 are colored black. Other nodes are colored as red. Well, the root node is black. See, this is root and this is colored as black. Remember always, every node will have a color associated with. Root will always be black. Every leaf will be nil. This nil represents leaf and the default color for this nil is black. Always remember this. The default color for this nil is black. One more thing, if ever see, let's say node 18 is red, so both the child of node 18 are black. So remember one thing, if a node is red, then both its children are black. These are some of the conditions that a tree must satisfy for it to be known as red black tree. Now for each node, remember, now when I'm talking about every node, all the path from node to the descendant, let's say from 18 to the descendant 8, how many black node I can encounter? Exactly one. See, from 18 to 8, 1. From 18 to 11, 1. Now from 7 to 8, how many black node? 1, 2. From 7 to 11, how many? 1, 2. From 7 to 26, how many? 1, 2. So for each node, all the path from the node to the descendant leaf contain same number of black node. So you must have a search tree. Remember, it is a search tree. Which satisfy the condition that every node must be either red or black. The root must be black. All the leaf will be nil, will be colored with black. If a node is red, then both the child will be black. And for every node, path from node to that descendant will contain same number of black node. Now it is a self-balanced tree. Now when it comes to balanced tree, the another tree that comes into picture is AVL tree. Correct? So these are basically popular balanced search tree, AVL tree and red black tree. We have the complexity of log n for both. Now when it comes to searching, AVL is more popular. When it comes to searching, the AVL is more popular, but when it comes to insertion deletion, then red black tree is considered as more popular. See, AVL tree is more suitable for search and red black tree for insertion and deletion. Now in red black tree, the insertion and deletion will take less time than AVL tree. This is how it is said, that red black tree, this makes actually red black tree more popular than AVL tree. Now let's see, red black tree are needed when height balancing is a desirable trait. Means we need a balanced tree. Well, and at the same time, in the insertion and deletion must not be slow. See, AVL is a balanced tree, but when it comes to AVL, the insertion and deletion is slow. So in such cases, we will prefer red black tree. The most common application of red black tree is found in Linux kernel. Well, it is used to implement completely fair scheduler that process virtual runtimes. Okay? Now, also to keep track, it is also used to keep track of virtual memory segment for a process. Okay? And in such case, the start address of the range serves as the key. Now, in both the cases, the important is to retrieve the node by their key. Okay? And that will be major portion where the red black tree will play important role, because insertion and deletion is fast as compared to AVL tree. So here we are going to see red black tree. Well, red black tree has many operations supported, like the way we say if this is a proper balanced red black tree, and suppose I insert any new node or I delete a node from red black tree. Now obviously we will have different set of functionality to insert a node. There are algorithm for it. To delete a node, there is an algorithm for it in red black tree. but any insertion and deletion will obviously disturb the red-black order configuration that we can see. And in such cases, to reconstruct the correct red-black tree, we will be needed to perform certain rotation. It will be left rotation and right rotation. So in this particular video, we have seen the introduction to red-black tree, some of the application, and we can see how red-black tree to some extent is better than AVL tree, even though both are self-balanced tree. So this is about introduction to red-black tree in this video. For further operation, just see the next video. Thank you very much.